Welcome to Ngobothonto Sharp Eyes channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey tada, Organjan Bafit for life. This is Ngobothonto Sharp Eyes channel. We are here at the FNB Stadium. Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramid 0. The CAF Champions League. My brother, Uja. Bengadlali ngiyamfuna medlala.
Yeah, ngifuna kuza lapho ukuthi uma ul fans fans yabona uyekele coach endini yakhe yabona because nyalo sibathi step coach the way senda ngakhona sifuna uma basa sifuna isikomoto no asikeleni coach mabhaka chuchu coach endumsebenzi wakhe namhlanje nje bese like ngaphandle space ngadlali kahle the stage the schools man esihaya baba akudlali ukuthi team anokudlala kubetray lapha yabona like today bekudlala ama team lamakhulu adlala iCAF Mathim lamancane bekadlala iBetway yabona ngeke ngwabale ngemagama mara mathim lamancane adlala iBetway nawo mathim lamakhulu mara kunjalo mathim lamakhulu eSouth Africa iSundowns neOrlando Pirates lokho lokunye lokho mathim lamancane yabona mara ngisola kakhulu futhi namhlanje esimfethu basinike ground le wrong the ground elijwele emadroli
ake nginanikeza abasesontweni
akunankinga lokho mara ground basinike ground elijwele emadroli sina sise kuphi embombela lekhaya na sport besitawina labathathe khona la every week is a draw now si draw lose win draw lose la kunamabhadi la eFNB la nokhona bangasa states la
awusaphinde siyabuye
angizabona
bakuzama uzameke
kunemabhadi ground Kaizer Chiefs lelo la ngena top 8 idlala 3 games so lelo ngena top 8
bye bye